What tools do you use to organize your business? For some context, I am about 9 years into my business journey. Currently, I am primarily using Notion to run everything. Everything lives in Notion. I was previously a diehard Clickup user. Used Clickup to plan my wedding. Love the platform. But it became a little too much over the years. The thing that I love about Notion is the fact that it's built on documents and you can really customize the dashboards to be multi-purpose and sort of multimedia. I needed that in the way that we run this business. And it was so critical for our client projects that I have the ability to have this true multimedia setup. And also for myself personally, I'm a super visual person, and ClickUp was just not visual enough for me. So we just simplified this year. We went to Notion. We have moved all of our clients over to Notion, and they also seem to like it better. There is less of a learning curve for them with Notion, and it is so customizable. It can be anything that you want it to be, which I love, and it's just been a really great change. And I think that that's so crucial as a business owner to be willing to say, this is no longer working. Maybe it was at one time and it was really great during that time, but now for where we're at, we need a different tool. And so we switched over to Notion. One thing I want to call out about Notion is how I actually organize my work days. I'm currently using a customized version of the leisure ethic template from Xanthe Appleyard. She is amazing. If you are not following her on social, please do so immediately. She is incredible. I can't say enough good things about her content and the way she works and her approach to business. Her leisure ethic template is built to house both your life stuff and your work stuff. And I love that approach. It is what I needed because I am balancing 3 roles in my life right now. I am CEO of Honeycomb, where I'm trying to guide our business to this next phase of growth. I am also a brand strategist to our clients, and I'm a co-founder of another business. And we also have our farm and life. And so that means I really need a platform that can do a lot of heavy lifting for me. And I love that the leisure ethic template was plug and play. So I did not change a lot other than really the work section of it and how that functions for my own personal workflow. But I just love it because it combines affirmations and it combines all of the things that you need to be the person you want to be in your business, intentions and motivation and beautiful visuals to motivate you, but also it's tactical in that you can actually get your work done. And I have never seen someone set up their workflow the way that Xanthe sets up her workflow with her whole methodology, which I'm not going to share about too much here because you just need to go check her out and see what she's talking about. But her method of working has just worked so well with my brain, and I absolutely love this template. So if you are looking for something that will make it easy to plug and play Notion for your work and you just want to try it out, her template is amazing. I'll link it in the show notes below. I also wanted to share what my phone screen looks like because I do think that there are some pro tips when it comes to really leveraging the new iPhone home screen layout. And I'm going to try to track down the Substack where I saw this the first time because it has been a game changer for me. So my home screen is set up to have really easy things for me to click. Apple Notes is something that I use all the time for quick jotting down of ideas. So I make that super accessible on my home screen. I'm also referencing Google Maps a lot. So that happens to be on my home screen. And I love seeing my calendar right there really easily so I can quickly scan my day in the morning. But then on my second screen, I have quick links to Notion. I had no idea you could do this until I saw the Substack, and it blows my mind. It's so cute. You can add Notion widgets and they go to specific pages in Notion. So I have them set up to some quick links, and I've sort of evolved this over the past few months. And I love this because I can easily reference what I am trying to get to quickly and jot down an idea, check something off, check in on something. It's so good. So that one thing, changing my phone screen, has been really amazing for productivity. There's also something about not being able to easily swipe over to my apps and access Instagram or LinkedIn or any of those. That has been really helpful for my screen time as well. I also have a couple of other tools that I've been really obsessed with, one that I've used for years and one that's kind of new to me thanks to Social Life, this group that I'm a part of. The one that I've been using for years is Dubsado. I use that for client management, so that's proposals, contracts, invoices. All of that is done through Dubsado. That is a tool that I love, that is really incredible and powerful, and they are about to launch their 3.0 here in the next couple months. And from what I've seen, it looks really amazing. So I'm super stoked about that. I've also got a new tool that I am loving called Obsidian. If you write a lot, if writing is a really big part of your creative practice, of your creative work, Obsidian is amazing. If you do not like the distraction of being in like Google Docs or having a lot of different docs to keep up with, you can link different documents together. It's completely offline, so it's an app on your Mac or your PC, and I've just really been enjoying it. It's been a really great way to have sort of an unplugged creative practice, as in I'm not logging on to the internet to write. And it's been super helpful for organizing thoughts. And then I use that in conjunction with Claude to analyze my writing, pull out common themes, and really help me think deeper about some of the things that I am writing about.